Good morning all. My name is Shivarya. I am 7 years old. I am going to do a book review. The name of the story is Rain Rain, published by Pratham Books. The story happens in a village on a cloudy day. There are many characters in the story. Peacock, fish, farmer, Raju and his friends Rain. In this story, all are waiting for rain. The best part of the story is when rain fills everyone's hearts with joys. The pictures in the stories are lovely. I enjoyed reading the book. I request my friends to read this story, Rain Rain. I give 5 stars to this book. Thanks for watching.